Trecol Husky 6x6. Today's last vehicle is a snowmobile with very low-pressure tires, designed for year-round off-road and low-grip terrain transportation of passengers and cargo. The Husky 6x6 is designed for 8 people and can carry loads from 1.5 to 2 tons, depending on the type of ground under the wheels. Operation at low temperatures is possible thanks to a fuel filter equipped with an electric heater. Maximum speed is 50 km/h, ground clearance is 55 centimeters. The 73 horsepower engine has a capacity of 2500 cc, and the manufacturer is the Russian company Trecol. Arquus VAB MK3. This vehicle belongs to the new family of medium-weight armoured vehicles. The car offers an extremely high level of mobility, protection and payload. The profile is compact, so that the vehicle is suitable for urban driving and doesn't get stuck in the mountains. The Arquus VAB MK3 features a 370 horsepower engine and a seating capacity of up to 12 people. Other notable features include independent suspension, safe run-flat tyres, and a centralised tyre pressure monitoring system. But that's not all. The low profile combined with excellent visibility is ideal for tactical missions. The VAB MK3 has received ballistic protection and defence against mines, nuclear, biological and chemical threats. GIRTEK MTLB-u. The manufacturer of this vehicle, the Russian company GIRTEK, makes a very bold statement. Their model has such unique technical characteristics that it has virtually no competitors in the world. Its lightweight, speed, ability to float, and ability to deliver both people and cargo in off-road conditions are only some of its noteworthy features. The MTLB-u can carry up to 8 passengers in the cab and up to 10 in the body. The 8-cylinder engine has 310 horsepower. Water speed reaches 4 miles per hour. This is exactly the kind of equipment ideal for geological exploration, for the petroleum and logging industry, road construction, fishing and hunting in hard-to-reach areas. TOMCAR TX. This car is a new product. It's already available for pre-order, although shipments are scheduled for early 2022. In the past, its manufacturer, the Israeli company TOMCAR, was engaged exclusively in the creation of military equipment. And you can easily spot that in the characteristics of the TX. The all-terrain vehicle is something between an ATV, an SUV, and a pickup truck. The ground clearance is 17 inches, which is the best in its class. The independent suspension with a long travel and adjustable hydraulic shock absorbers are responsible for endurance and the ability to move in aggressive off-road conditions. TOYO tires FERRET. It seems incredible to think that this is a British light armoured reconnaissance vehicle from the 1950s. The fact is that the specialists at TOYO Tyres did a really impressive job modifying the model. They did it to produce an eye-catching commercial for their new TOYO open country off-road tyres. The TOYO Tyres FERRET was fitted with a powerful modified Chevrolet LS engine. 2 of the 6 wheels are driven by hydraulic motors. The suspension was also modified. King shocks significantly increased the vehicle's off-road performance, allowing it to withstand greater loads and overcome more obstacles. An interesting feature is the launcher with a grappling hook attached to a winch cable. The HYMER CrossOver. Although at first glance this minibus is no different from any other, it has not entered our list by chance. It has been created by the designers of the German company HYMER to be comfortable, all-terrain and self-sufficient. The built-in equipment includes a solar panel which allows the user to be outdoors for up to 10 days with all the amenities needed to live. This includes electricity, heating and running water, and with a combination of all-wheel drive, all-terrain tires and suspension on lift, the HYMER CrossOver will get where other vans can't. INKAS AMEV 4x4. As a rule, military vehicles have great cross-country performance. But AMEV from the Canadian company INKAS exceeded all expectations. Its name stands for Armored Medical Evacuation Vehicle. It can carry up to 14 passengers or 2 crew members and 6 wounded passengers. All of them will be provided with the highest level of protection. As AMEV is based on a multi-purpose armored vehicle, note the modular platform. It's needed so that the vehicle could be fitted with special equipment, such as thermal imaging or a night vision system. The Canadian specialist developed AMEV specifically for search and rescue operations in the most inaccessible parts of the planet. Wokart. If you think that from the outside this catamaran looks like a go-kart, you would be right. The Wokart was specifically designed so that its performance plus the weight-to-power ratio would be similar to a go-kart. The manufacturer calls this product a revolutionary vehicle. This is the first patented designer watercraft in the world with a mid-mounted outboard engine. The special design makes the Wokart so maneuverable that it's even able to make high-speed turns of 90 degrees. The asymmetric layout in combination with the 70 horsepower motor guarantees a high performance and a top speed of 46 miles per hour. The catamaran was designed in Switzerland, while a whole international team worked on the realization of the idea. Zip-Fastener Ship. When you see this ship for the first time, you don't immediately understand what it actually is and why it has such a strange shape. But it's simply a ship that looks like a zipper. The original idea belongs to Japanese artist Yasuhiro Suzuki, who is famous for taking inspiration from everyday life. In 2002, he was on a plane looking down at the water and noticed that ships move along the water like zippers. By 2004, that unusual thought became an art project. It gained wide public attention in 2020 when the ship became part of the Design Art Tokyo 2020 exhibition and sailed on the Sumida River crossing in Tokyo. This location was not chosen by chance either. Historically, the Sumida is the border between the provinces of Musashi and Shimosa, and the ship gliding on its waters is a reminder of this.